As we all know, the purpose of sampling is we're trying to find something out about an entire population. The only way we can find the exact answer, the exact value, is to survey everybody in the population. But that's about impossible. For example, let's say you live in some city. It doesn't matter. Los Angeles, New York. Let's pick New York City. And you want to find the average income. Let's say in Manhattan. Well, the only way to get the exact answer is to go out and find out everybody that lives in Manhattan, find out their salary, and calculate the average. That's about impossible because people are always moving in and moving out, and by the time you get your data set, the population has changed. So what do? We get a sample from the population. In the example I was just talking about, the population is defined as everybody that lives in Manhattan. That's our population. We're defining it that way. Then what we do is we randomly pick 100 people or however many, a decent size sample of people, and ask them what their income is, if you wanted to know the average income. Then we use that data to make conjectures, hypotheses about the entire population. But the point is the samples, there's always an error there. It's never gonna be exact. It's never gonna give us the exact average of the whole population, but it's a nice estimate. So one of the points is we want our sample to be representative of the population. We wouldn't want to go to the rich neighborhood in Manhattan and ask 100 people there what their salary is, because that doesn't represent everybody in Manhattan. Yeah, so that's what we mean by a representative sample. We want it to be randomly picked so that everybody has an equal likelihood of being chosen to be part of our sample, so that we have a good probability that every segment of that population is represented in our sample.